Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you all my unframed diamond painting kits that are waiting for its turn to be put behind the glass. The reason for the kits not being framed is non-standard size, so it's better to say that it's really very hard for me to find the frames to fit this diamond paintings into, because the frames of those sizes are not really sold, they're not standard, and it's pretty expensive to custom order those frames. The only choice that I have is to order it in Artstore Frames, an online store that can where you have the option to order the frames of a specific size that you need, but again it would be pricey, not as pricey as custom framing, but still not expensive. So let's start with this kit that I diamond painted not long ago. It is a kit from a Russian company, Mosfa. Two parrots, two lorries, a very small kit actually. The size is 30 by 40 centimeters. Actually, it's not such a non-standard size. I think I will be able to find the frame for it. I love how it's turned out because the size is pretty small, but there are a lot of details, and the detailization is just perfect. This is the first one. The next one is Vintage Roses from Diamond Dots. This one is non-standard, 43 by 31 centimeters. It is a full square drill diamond painting kit. I did a few customizations in there. I added a few AB diamonds in the roses. I diamond painted a few years ago, and I do love how it turned out. The sparkle is amazing, but Diamond Dots is famous for its beautifully faceted drills. The next one is a small mandala kit, and I think I have it upside down, although I guess it doesn't matter at this point. I purchased it from AliExpress maybe a year ago, 30 by 30 centimeters. It is a standard size kit actually. There are other frames, but they're kind of expensive, so I'm waiting for them to be on sale on Michaels. I usually purchase all my frames from Michaels. The next one is Frosty Morn from Diamond Dots, 47 by 31 centimeters square drills. Beautiful kit, but unfortunately the size is not standard. This design is horrible. I don't even remember where I purchased it from, but I'm not even planning on framing it, because, I mean, you can't even say what it is, except of the boat and the lanterns on top of the trees. The detailization is horrible. Just horrible. This is the angel from Leisure Arts, inspired by Diamond Dots. Beautiful round drill kit. I think it's a perfect Christmas gift. This size is 30 by 30 centimeters, but again, I'm waiting for the frame of 30 by 30 centimeters to be on sale on TJ Maxx. They're not on sale that very often. And before sale, the original price is around $30. I'm not ready to spend $30 on a frame to put under the glass the kit that cost $10. This is my daughter's kit. I think it's 20 by 20 centimeters. Most likely we will give it away as a gift to one of her teachers, so I just need to purchase a frame. This is also my daughter's partial kit from Diamond Dots. We can also give it away as a gift. The next one is another mandala or mandala, I don't know how they are pronounced, 30 by 30 centimeters from AliExpress. And one more. Here it is. I purchased a few of them. So they actually sparkle really very nicely, and they have a lot of special shaped drills. Another one, let's see, put it upside down. Also a kit from AliExpress. I don't think I will be framing it because it is kind of, simple. This frame is this design is too simple, and I do not really like the color blending over here on the top. The sunset and the river or the ocean, it could be better. Although the bottom part is pretty nice, but too primitive, I think. Now, this is a cross. I completely changed it. It was supposed to be white color, but I thought that I threw away the drills. Apparently they fell down somewhere, and I found it only a few months ago, although I had diamond painted this kit like, I don't know, several years ago. I don't think that it was a good decision to make it all purple. I should have added some other drills, but unfortunately I didn't have this. The only special drills that I had were of the size for this cross. All the rest just wouldn't fit all other colors. So the next one is another mandala from AliExpress. The next one is Wise Raven from Russian company Riolis. I'm not a fan of how it turned out. I think it could be more detailed, and I'm not really very happy with color blending. I wish it wasn't as bright as it is. It is night, it's Halloween or something like that. So I wish that the colors over here were a little bit like a few shades darker maybe, or duller at this point. Just doesn't look right to me. The size, I'm not even sure if it is mentioned somewhere here. I mean, they didn't even put the size on the canvas, so I'm not sure what size is it, but remember it was not very standard. Another kit, I have a lot of unframed kits. It's from Diamond Dots, Seaside Village. Also non-standard one, 52 by 33 centimeters. Square drills. The Wise Raven was square drills as well. Here it is. And one more is the Christmas tree. These are the smaller kits. We will move to the bigger ones. Look at the sparkle. No Photoshop or anything. I don't even know how to use it. The sparkle is so intense. I really love to frame it, but the same problem. Non-standard size, 35 by 46 centimeters. Beautiful kit, love it. So let's move to the bigger ones. To the bigger kits. This one is also from Diamond Dots. I guess you know now that I'm a fan of this company. Twister, 52 by 32 centimeters. I love the sparkle on Diamond Dots kits. Beautiful. This is a square drill diamond painting kit, and I replaced a few colors with round sparklers. Also non-standard size. Actually, the reasons why I do not frame are not always due to a non-standard size of the kits. Sometimes I just do not like how the design turned out. So the next one is also from Diamond Dots, square drill diamond painting kit, Sun and Moon. Non-standard size, 35 by 45 centimeters. But hopefully I'll get a frame for it, because I do love how it turned out. Most likely it would go away as a gift. Again, I have a post review for every single diamond painting that you see on my channel. I bought it from Michaels. The next one is from AliExpress. I think it's called Season Deer. So the anchors are supposed to represent 4 seasons. Fall, these are apples by the way. This is cherry blossom, hence spring. This is winter. This is summer. This is supposed to be grapes. But unfortunately, I think it is way too pixelated. But, you know, if you follow my channel, I think you notice that except of mandalas or mandalas, and except of children's kits, I stopped ordering from AliExpress because unfortunately their kits are not hand-charted, okay, hand-rendered. So this one is 40 by 60 centimeters. It's pretty big. 40 by 60 centimeters is enough to show the design's detail, especially taking into consideration the fact that this kit, this design doesn't have that many items. It has just two deer, and like some background and with the trees and the bird. So not that many details. This is enough size for it to be more itemized, but unfortunately AliExpress is not doing a good job. Maybe, I don't know, Evermoment is doing a better one now, but we will talk about it later. Now, another kit from Diamond Dots, Autumn Wolf, square drills. I actually replaced his eyes with crystals, like the resin drills. The resin drills were replaced with crystals. This is a non-standard size, 52 by 42 centimeters. So, but hopefully I will frame it one day. The next one is also from Diamond Dots, this beautiful autumn landscape country bridge. I suspect that the original design maybe was painted with oil paints. So beautiful. I love how it turned out. But unfortunately, non-standard size, 51 by 51 centimeters. The sparkle is amazing. The camera just doesn't show it all. The sparkle is beautiful on Diamond Dots kits. The next one is Diamond Art Club. Love Diamond Art Club. The only reason why I do not purchase that many kits from them is because they're not really carried in our local physical stores. So the ones that I carried are not to my liking, like the design is not. It's the first reason. The second reason, I do not like big sized kits, and the majority of their kits are pretty big. So this one is big and non-standard. Again, it's hard to find the frame for them. 74 by 55 centimeters. So I wish Diamond Art Club would make a little bit smaller kits and more of a standard style. But this one is beautiful. The detalization, Diamond Art Club detalization kits, detalization is also amazing. Sparkle, everything is great. I love Diamond Dots and Diamond Art Club a lot. I just have more chances, so to say, to purchase Diamond Art Club. Diamond Dots rather than Diamond Art Club. I don't have Hobby Lobby nearby, and I know that's where they are carried mostly, and our local Michaels and Joann doesn't really sell that many kits from Diamond Art Club. Michaels doesn't sell anything in our local one, but Joann sells just 2 or 3, and I don't like the designs. And this is my last one. I do not frame it because I do not like how it turned out. It's a huge one for me because my favorite size is 40 by 50 centimeters. I don't like diamond painting bigger size kits. So this one is 80 by 50 centimeters. Okay, so it's not the last one, sorry, the least one. But judging by the quality, it is the last one. So 80 by 50 centimeters. Only 3 big objects. The Christmas tree, 2 houses. Super pixelated. For the size and for the amount of items, it's super pixelated. AliExpress, the worst seller ever. It's not the first time I'm diamond painting from the seller. I was inexperienced back then in 2018 when I was purchasing keys from the Zooey Star, the worst seller ever. So every single flaw that can be in a diamond painting was in this kit. Popped up drills. I ran out of drills. A lot of damaged drills. Plus, it turns out to be super pixelated. So just look at it. 80 by 50 centimeters. Only 3 big objects, nothing else. 2 houses, 1 Christmas tree. And now look at this. This is a smaller size. What is it? 75 by 55 centimeters smaller. A lot of objects. Look how detailed it is. That's why hand-rendered kits are way more expensive and are of better quality. That's why they turn out to be more detailed versus computer-rendered. So companies should have designers, artists, working on their kits for them to turn out like in Diamond Art Club or Diamond Dots, just for comparison. And the last one, also from AliExpress, I purchased this one also a long time ago in 2018 when I started diamond painting from Evermoment. I liked everything except of one thing, detalization. Now, after looking at Diamond Art Club, Diamond Dots, even that Russian MOSFET company, it looks very pixelated. And the size is pretty big, also 50 by 65 centimeters. Not that many details. The bottom part is okay, but the top one, no, way too pixelated. So I know that now Evermoment claims to have designers that hand chart their kits, or at least do some modifications, to the kits once it is computer charted, just like Diamond Art Club and Diamond Dots. But I don't know. I haven't tried it. after I diamond painted this one. I cannot find the post reviews on current Evermoment kits. So, and I'm actually very reluctant to spend like $60 on a kit in Evermoment, because they're kind of expensive. They're almost the same prices as Diamond Dots and Diamond Tar Club. But if I purchase Diamond Tar Club or Diamond Dots for $60, I am 100% sure of the quality. I know that they will turn out terrific. As to this one, I'm not ready to risk to spend $60 and then find out that it is still pixelated. And again, I cannot find the post reviews. The recent post reviews, not the recent post reviews, but the reviews of the recent kits that they updated to hand-charted ones. So, this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. As soon as I frame this kit, I will make another one. Bye.